Understanding Customer Service, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of customer service. This is a term you'll often hear in business contexts, and it's essential for both personal and professional communication. So, let's get started and understand what customer service really means. Customer service refers to the assistance and advice provided by a company to those people who buy or use its products or services. It's all about ensuring customer satisfaction and handling their needs. Good customer service is characterized by promptness, politeness, and effectiveness. Remember, it's not just about solving problems, but also about creating a positive experience for the customer. In this section, we'll explore why customer service is crucial for businesses. Firstly, it helps in building customer loyalty. When customers have a good experience, they are more likely to return. Secondly, it can be a unique selling point. Great customer service can distinguish a company from its competitors. Lastly, it impacts the company's reputation. Word of mouth is powerful, and satisfied customers are likely to recommend a business to others. Customer service can take many forms. 1. In-person customer service. This happens face-to-face, typically in a store or office. 2. Over the phone. Many companies have call centers or helplines. 3. Digital channels. This includes email, social media, and live chats on websites. Each type has its own set of skills and techniques, which are crucial for effectively handling customer queries and issues. In this section, we'll discuss the essential skills needed for good customer service. Communication skills, being clear and concise, yet friendly. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of the customer. Problem solving, finding effective solutions to customer issues. Patience, handling difficult situations calmly. These skills are vital in ensuring that customers feel valued and supported. Let's look at some common phrases used in customer service. How can I help you today? Thank you for bringing this to our attention. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me find the best solution for you. These phrases are not just polite. They also convey a willingness to assist and resolve issues. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of customer service. Remember, good customer service is all about creating positive experiences and building lasting relationships with customers. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.